People no be small thing o. As e start right now, they say that the men of the Nigeria army don carry their ogbunigwe go for the house of Benjamin Madubugwu. Most of una no know Benjamin Madubugwu. Na the people wey dey arrest with Mazi Mazi carry years back. I no know wetin dey fight go there o. No be small thing happen for inside that place, but as that one come happen finish, now we come still dey get update of things wey dey happen for inside Biafra land. They say that the men of the Biafra army, what they call BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, they say these people don't use Ogbunigbe scatter one of the armor tanker wey belong to Nigeria army. We will show you as they talk about the thing they happen for this video. Before we come back or continue, just stay tuned and watch the two videos. First, I'm going to play the video of what happened in the place of a resident of Madubugwu in Biafra land as these people take enter and the things where they do for inside that place that they take explain for this video before we jump for inside the next video. Stay tuned as we bring out one after the other.
This is the main road, Ehala Olu Road, Obulisuza, in Ehala local government area. This is the Madubugwu, Benjamin Madubugwu compound. Benjamin Madubugwu compound. The gate are here. Thank you and God bless. This is the bullet from armor tanker. Look at the gate. See, look at the hole. The holes of the armor tanker. The hole of the bullet from armor tanker. So this is the bullet, one of the bullets that we found that pierced through the wall of this building. So the bullet just fell on the ground, and other bullets just penetrated inside the house. So look at the bullet here. This is the bullet, armor tanker's bullet. Armor tanker. The armor tanker that like a caterpillar. This biggest armor tanker that have chain. The bullet, one of the bullets that ran in our compound. This is the hole of the bullet in this house. The hole. Look at another hole. Look at another hole. Look at another hole. Look at another hole. From the armor tanker. Look at the hole from armor tanker. Look at the hole from armor tanker. Okay, this is the shell, bullet shell that we picked from the main road that they fired inside the compound of Benjamin Madubugwu.
My wonderful people, no be small thing o. As it dey happen, na so we take dey bring and dey come o. I no know wetin the Nigeria army they find for the residence of this young man. After they don't interrogate him, carry and go court, do everything, they don't find anything for in hand. Now so that they try to shut everybody up. We talk the army we suppose they fight terrorists, they fight Fulani bandits, Fulani herdsmen. Now then they try to they fight innocent citizens we no do anything because say this man they talk of Biafra now so they carry boom 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 enter in village. Now I'm going to play another video. May you watch and see waiting the men of the Biafra army did to Nigeria army as they explain for this video. So watch the full video.
Mpamosa oti ya bo na tutu postman ya bu butu ha de ya na ya bo ya me ha na ya nebe obrahadra tabo 4 me 2025 mpefo ebe ha anyị na ha no we challenge last ebe ka ha si we retrieve na ikwu ọchị ya mpai ya bo obra di ye ni na efre aba obra ye ni na bo ebe ka ogbunigwe gbori ya mo tanka ebe ka ha no sense na kwa ya kwa pai na ya traza ha de ya ha je picha si obra mpana ya bo ogwu ha de ya mpa ya bo obra ndezu ya de ya ogbunigwe ahụ ngbara gị mgba ya de ya so mpai so ya de ya ka sika mmeke mrasa na ekwu ya ebe adọbara ha adọbasịrị ha so mpai ebe ka na ha no we challenge ya ha were na ara na nna ekwu bana ya bo ya ha yisi de se ya nna oh ya de ya so mpai ya ka sika ngosi gị asa mpuze n'ihu ka ngosi kwo ebe nke ọzọ ogbunigwe nke izizi bụ ụzọ mehi ihe ekwensu na ekwu mosa.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Now don't see am as it dey happen. No, don't see am. They say that Ogbunigwe don't blow boy. I saw the motto. If they say even one person hang on top of pantry, now God come save am. Now so he come fall for inside the pantry where he hang. My people, things are really happening. As it dey happen, I will say we bring out the show now. But more try to share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it dey happen. I want to tell you one thing. You see all these things where they happen for inside Biafra land. Let us ask ourselves one question. Why are these people not confronting herdsmen? Why are they not confronting Fulani Janjaweed, Fulani terrorists, Fulani where they buy people, carry people, enter inside bush? Why are they not confronting them? So when you get the answer correct, then you understand what is going on in Nigeria. Stay tuned for the next update.